Welcome to the new episode of Thought on Education by College Dunya. Hello, ma'am. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, College Dunya. Myself, Anjana Punya. I'm the Associate Professor in Balaji Engineering College. Uh, uh, as a lecturer, I'm looking after the Computer Science department, taking care of that department. And uh, with that, I'm also the head of the admissions of regarding to the all the colleges of the SBSS.
Yeah.
That is related to the engineering, pharmacy, teachers training, and the other PG courses.
Okay. Ma'am, can you please share your experience with us?
I have 16 plus years of experience, and in the next month, like in March, I'll be completing 17 years.
Great, ma'am. That's
and
actually
all the
great.
experiences of teaching and administration.
Great, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, can you please tell us what is leadership according to you, and what is leadership in your style?
In my style, I can say leadership is not actually a part of a single person. It is a part of team in which you guide your team, how to lead, how to work in how to work in the teamwork and how to work in the team and exactly working for the main aim and achieving all the objectives that you have decided for that particular team. So working on any project, the team leader is main part of that, and obviously the team is also that much important. And
right.
if you are leading in proper way, you will definitely achieve the aim and the goals that you have decided.
Great, ma'am. And ma'am, can you please tell us that as you are looking after the admission, what are the admission process to take admission in Sri Balaji College?
This is very lengthy. This is not I cannot answer to the everything. But in
Short.
just nutshell, I can say there are two process of taking the admission into the campus. One is direct, and another one is through authority. So every college, every course regarding the SBCT, SBCP, or we can say teachers training college or the PG college, the process is same. Like you can come to the college and direct
Take
on the
the
basis
admission.
of your eligibility, you can take the admissions
Of
in
course.
that course, particular course. But there is some restriction to the programs also. Like in PT college, there is an entrance exam.
Of
Through
course.
that exam only you can take the admission.
Admission.
And you have to follow that procedure, and the admission are not in the control of the college. So the authority take care of the admissions. And in the CP also the same thing. Admissions are governed by the authority, but at the other hand, we can say that the seats which are vacant, they can be filled up by the college also. So both the process are indulged in that program. And in SBCET, the process is there, like read process, and direct admissions are also there. And in PG, whole admissions control is in the campus only, and we look after the we just check the eligibility criteria according to the university that has been prescribed, and checking that eligibility criteria, we take the admissions.
Great, ma'am. And ma'am, can you please tell us, do Sri Balaji College provide scholarships for the students?
Actually, scholarships are given by the different authorities of the government, at national level, at MHRD, and at the CM and PM levels. So we assess the students, and we help them in filling up the forms.
Yeah.
And any other documents is required regarding the admission that they have taken the admission in this course, and what is the fees, and everything is assisted. And we have a small chamber for that also, and that person who is appointed for this assists them for any of the query that is there with the student.
Great, ma'am. That's great. And ma'am, can you please tell us, do you think, according to you, education sector is the best sector to work in?
According to me, working is the best thing, and doing any work with the positivity, and maybe it's a private sector, education sector, government sector, wherever
Any
you are
sector.
doing. If you are doing your work honestly, every work is like a worship to the person who is doing that.
Of course.
And you have to be genuine and clear-hearted with the higher authority for whom you are working. And if you are working for your own, then also you must give your 100%, and you have to follow the what are the basic things required for an entrepreneur. So every work is like important, and in the same way, education is also. It is like we can say it is different from other work, as we are working on the behavior, for the skills, and for the quality of the persons, for the human beings, and for the students. We can basically say. So this is like a noble work in which you help in the nation building also. So I can say, for my like opinion, every work is as important as the education also.
Great, ma'am. And ma'am, can you please share like how, according to you, do Sri Balaji provide the internship and placement opportunities for the students?
Yes, we do. We have a separate TPO department in which the training and placement both has been taken care. And in the training part, we indulge the students of pre-final and final year students and train them for the particular company. And at this other hand, the college is inviting different companies also from the different sectors for according to the skills of our students.
Okay, ma'am. And
Yes.
what are the facilities which Sri Balaji provides for the students?
Facilities in the sense we have to follow the RTU curriculum, and besides that we are running some different programs also for nurturing our students. Like recently we have started a new program, that is Tech Caution, under which we are technically making our students sound, and uh, uh, like we are filling the gap which is there in between the academic curriculum and the industry, that the industry is like requiring right now.
Okay, ma'am, that's great. And ma'am, can you give a short message for the students watching this interview of yours?
Short message is like, as I am from the admission department,
Yeah.
so I'm definitely going to call the students that it's your decision, it's your call, that if you want to go into that program or in any particular college. But despite that, you must once visit this college, because what we are delivering, it cannot be like displayed in a single video or
Of course.
in the pictures. You must visit the campus, then decide there. If you have any query, reach out to us, we'll definitely help you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your precious time with College Dunya today. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.